Smart Massa Smart Top. Smart Massa Smart Top is a ready-to-use polymer mortar that simplifies brick and block laying. Unlike traditional mortar, it requires no mixing and covers up to 20 times more area. Just 3.3 pounds of Smart Massa can cover about 10.88 square feet, while regular mortar needs nearly 66 pounds for the same space. This mortar dries quickly, usually within 6 to 12 hours, depending on weather conditions. It's eco-friendly because it doesn't use cement or sand, which are common in regular mortar. Its compact design also makes storage and transportation easy. To apply, spread the mortar in two thin lines, about 0.4 inches wide, on the brick or block surface. Leave a small gap between blocks to allow expansion. For the first row, use traditional mortar to keep the base level. Smart Massa sets in 8 hours and fully cures after 72 hours. Any leftover mortar can be sealed and saved for later use. Helix Steel Micro Rebar. Have you ever thought about how fast our cities are changing? Today, buildings are built like Lego blocks. Roads are made by machines that look like giant printers, and smart roofs can repair themselves. Technology is improving everything, from the ground to the top of buildings, and this is just the beginning. Now, a big change is coming to concrete reinforcement. Meet micro rebar, tiny steel fibers, each less than a millimeter thick. They help save both time and money while making concrete stronger and more reliable. These small fibers increase concrete's bending strength by 33% and its ability to handle stress over time by 300%. They're not only effective, they're cost-saving too. By replacing traditional rebar in 929 square meters of concrete, builders can save an entire day of work. Micro rebar also lowers the risk of cracks and can be added either at the concrete factory or right at the construction site during pouring. It's time to build smarter with micro rebar. Jetta Battery Ladder Lift. The Jetta Battery Ladder Lift is a compact and powerful German-made hoist designed to lift materials up to 32.8 feet high at a speed of 49.2 feet per minute. It runs on a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, can lift up to 265 pounds, and takes only 1.5 hours for a full charge. This lift works both as a ladder and a material transporter. Its modular design allows adjustable heights from 6.9 to 32.8 feet using different ladder sections. Made with lightweight but durable aluminum, it's easy to carry and impact resistant. Assembly is simple. Just one person can set it up in under 5 minutes with no tools needed. Features include remote control, foldable rear walls, and adjustable platforms. A special coating protects it from harsh weather. Ideal for construction, roofing, or renovation, the 10-meter version costs around $6,900, with smaller models from $5,700. The Bullfrog Track 2, made by Moran Brush Manufacturing, is a smart concrete finishing tool that speeds up work. Unlike traditional bull floats with long handles, it uses a rope-pulled system that makes it easy to move, especially in tight spaces. It has an adjustable tilt that automatically aligns during use to ensure a smooth and even finish on concrete slabs. Available in sizes from 4 to 10 feet, it works well for large concrete pours. The company also offers the Bullfrog Track 2 M Series, a motorized version powered by a small motor and lithium iron phosphate battery. This model can cover up to 12,000 square feet per charge, cutting down manual labor. It features a battery alert and auto tilt system, ideal for wider slabs. Both models come with 2 float types, a C-channel and a flat rib float, to suit different slab surfaces. Prices start at around $1,700. Project Kuiper. Amazon is entering the space race with Project Kuiper, a major satellite internet initiative. The plan is to launch over 3,200 satellites into low Earth orbit to provide fast, reliable, and affordable internet worldwide. Project Kuiper aims to compete with SpaceX's Starlink by focusing on connecting remote and underserved areas that currently lack good internet access. Supported by billions of dollars, Amazon is building advanced ground stations, modern phased array antennas, and its own satellite manufacturing plants. The first prototype satellites have already been successfully launched, and full deployment is expected to begin soon. Internet service is planned to start by 2026. By using Amazon's global infrastructure and cloud technology, Project Kuiper has the potential to improve global connectivity, bring internet to millions of people, and establish Amazon as a leader in space-based internet communication. DokaTruss subsidence. DokaTruss is a smart and modular table formwork system designed to meet the fast-paced needs of modern construction. It's quick and easy to assemble and dismantle. A system that covers 200 square meters can be moved with just one crane lift, saving time and effort on site. In this video, you'll see how efficiently DokaTruss is used on a construction site in the Netherlands, where workers are preparing a massive 10,000 square meter floor. The system is designed for convenience. Its parts can be moved on special rollers and lifted using jacks, making the entire process smoother and faster. DokaTruss tables are also fully compatible with Doka's timber beams. This combination helps prevent deflection under heavy loads and keeps everything strong and steady. Plus, because both the beams and tables are lightweight, it reduces shipping costs too. Overall, DokaTruss offers a practical and efficient solution for large-scale construction projects, helping teams save time, labor, and money without compromising on quality. Gutster Demo Bar. The Gutster Demo Bar makes demolition quicker and easier than ever. It's specially designed to help you tear down floors, walls, and decks without putting too much strain on your body. Unlike traditional pry bars that require a lot of bending and effort, the Gutster features a forked, angled head that lets you lift, pry, and separate materials with ease. Its long handle and built-in fulcrum give you powerful leverage, helping you work faster while using less energy. Made from strong, high-quality steel, this tool is built to last and handle tough jobs. Whether you're a professional contractor, part of a demo crew, or someone who enjoys doing projects on your own, the Gutster is made to make your work easier and more efficient. This isn't just another demolition tool, it's a smart upgrade for anyone who wants to work better, not harder. Priced around $114, the Gutster Demo Bar offers great value for the performance it delivers, saving you time, effort, and back pain on every demolition project.
Say goodbye to relying on gas or electricity. Solar water heaters are a smart, energy-saving choice for any home. They're so efficient that even businesses use them. One popular option, the 151-liter model, costs around $2,800, but it's built to last, with a stainless steel tank and no moving parts to worry about. Instead of pumps, it uses advanced glass vacuum tubes that can heat water up to 71 degrees Celsius. That means hot water whenever you need it, straight from the sun. On top of saving money on your energy bills, you might also qualify for tax incentives, making this investment even more worthwhile.
SunnyTent Pool Dome. The SunnyTent Pool Dome offers an eco-friendly way to warm your pool water and save energy. It protects your pool from debris and keeps the heat trapped inside. Standing at 2.2 meters high, it's designed for medium-sized pools with a diameter of 4.4 meters. Pool domes can vary from simple tarps to more advanced structures. While a tarp can cover your pool, a dome gives you more benefits. The SunnyTent uses the greenhouse effect to naturally warm the pool water, even on cloudy days. Its clear design absorbs sunlight to keep the water at a comfortable 25 degrees Celsius or more from April to September. Along with heating the water, it also keeps the pool clean and free of debris, so you don't have to worry about dirt. The SunnyTent reduces energy costs and has a smaller environmental impact. It extends your swimming season, reduces the need for water replacements, and keeps the water clean year-round. AFP machine. The AFP machine is the world's largest space rocket machine. Manufactured by Electro Impact in Washington and delivered to Middle River, Maryland, It weighs 99 tons and stands 12 meters tall. After passing its final tests, it is now ready to produce large composite parts for the Neutron rocket. These parts include interstage panels, which are 28 meters long for the first stage and 5 meters long for the second stage. The machine can lay composite fibers at speeds of up to 100 meters per minute. The AFP machine has a built-in real-time quality inspection system that can detect even the smallest defects. If any issues are found, the operator is immediately alerted. Using the AFP machine will save over 150,000 hours in rocket construction time. GeoStep. GeoStep is a weld-free geocell made from durable polymer materials designed for slope reinforcement, embankment stability, and erosion control. Each roll is 10.5 feet wide and covers up to 6,996 square feet. It performs well in temperatures from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for various climates. This system lasts up to 100 years and resists UV rays, harsh soils, freeze-thaw cycles, and heavy loads. It strengthens slopes between 20 degrees and 60 degrees, making it ideal for roads, railways, coastal protection, and landscaping. Its long rolls allow fast installation from top to bottom, saving time and reducing labor and equipment costs. The fast lock system means no heavy tools are needed, cutting labor costs by 50% and speeding up installation by 20%. Strong cell walls prevent material washout and improve drainage, making GeoStep great for rainy areas. Lightweight design reduces transport costs by 60%, and installation is 50% faster than traditional geocells. Overall, GeoStep is a cost-effective, long-lasting solution.
When it comes to bridge maintenance and repairs, access platforms are a much more efficient and practical solution compared to traditional scaffolding. They offer innovative features that make the job easier. For example, the Anderson H35 platform can be set up and ready to use in just minutes. It also has the ability to rotate a section of 11 meters by 180 degrees, which makes it easier for workers to reach difficult areas. The SSS platform stands out for its removable counterweight, which can be controlled remotely. This means adjustments can be made without an operator needing to be directly on the structure, saving time and reducing risks. Until recently, vehicles would enter the German city of Ahrensburg via the Rivari Bridge. But why was such an important structure demolished? Built in 1956, the bridge had become outdated and was no longer safe for use. Authorities decided it was time for a replacement. Now, construction is moving quickly. Two massive sections, each weighing 10,000 tons and stretching 157 meters, were installed in just 2 days. If progress continues at this pace, drivers might be able to return to their regular routes as early as September. Meanwhile, India is leading the world in infrastructure development, showing what's possible with modern engineering and determination. Are the roads in your city always under repair? Then you'll love the Astra Bridge. This mobile bridge lets cars and even heavy trucks drive right over construction zones. No need to slow down to a crawl. You can keep moving at a smooth 60 kilometers per hour while road crews work safely underneath. The ramps are adjustable to handle all kinds of vehicles, and the whole structure is super efficient. It's 236 meters long and can be set up in just 2 days. It was a big success during the repair of Switzerland's A1 highway. This means less traffic, more safety, and faster repairs. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Would you take a ride on one of these? Hit that like button if you're tired of traffic jams caused by road work. Meet the Vizcaya Bridge, part flying ferry. This unique structure in Spain has a moving platform suspended from an overhead bridge that carries up to 6 cars and dozens of passengers across the river. It's been running since 1893 and still operates every 8 minutes, day and night, all year round. The bridge connects the towns of Portugalete and Las Arenas near Bilbao. If you're up for a great view, elevators inside the towers can take you 50 meters up for a stunning look at the port and harbor. It's not just a way to cross the river, it's a ride through history with a view. The ActiBump is a smart speed bump that only activates for reckless drivers. For example, if the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour, it allows safe drivers to pass smoothly but lowers to slow down those going too fast. It can also be quickly turned off for emergency vehicles like ambulances and fire trucks, helping them reach their destination faster. If widely used, ActiBump can provide useful traffic data to help identify dangerous areas with frequent speeding. This system is already in use in countries like Norway, Austria, and Sweden. Imagine how much safer your city could be with a system like this in place. Can you think of any streets where it would make a big difference? In Nuremberg, workers have been building a bridge over the A3 highway, a busy road connecting Austria to the Netherlands. The project had to be completed quickly to prevent traffic jams. The workers assembled the bridge overnight, facing the huge challenge of handling a 510-ton structure. Any mistake could have led to disaster, but everything went smoothly and the bridge was finished successfully. The structure won an award from BFS, a major German steel construction organization. Its unique 60-meter span allowed for no additional support, and it was built using concrete and carbon fiber. Every day, more than 50,000 vehicles pass over it. At the 2022 World of Concrete Expo, the company G-Mel introduced the CC1200E, a game-changing curb paving machine. It's the world's first battery-powered curb paver, designed to run a full day on a single charge. With just 2 hours of fast charging, downtime is minimal. Unlike traditional machines, it produces no smoke, making it eco-friendly. It's also more compact, measuring just 2.5 by 2.4 meters. What's more, it comes with a remote control, so operators can monitor the process from any angle. The CC1200E isn't just a new machine. It's a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient way to work on road construction projects. The Sunland Asphalt portfolio includes the Miami International Autodrome, a Formula One track that joined the championship in 2022. Despite being relatively new, the track already requires maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential, especially for tracks with special surfaces. The asphalt mixture used here has a high amount of limestone and a specific type of American granite. To maintain the track, a special equipment was needed for micro-milling and polishing. During the process, Sunland Asphalt experts removed 5 centimeters from the pavement using 40 machines from all over the country. This kind of maintenance ensures the track stays in top condition for racing. Our next stop on the tour takes us to the area around the German city of Blag, home to the Hasselkopf Tunnel. This road tunnel, built in 1995, underwent a major renovation in 2018, focusing on its drainage system. For this task, workers used eco-monoblock, monolithic drainage channels made from concrete polymer. These channels were specifically designed for tunnels and meet strict safety standards in both Germany and the European Union. They are also fire-resistant and durable enough to withstand the chemicals used in road maintenance. The German company Vley True developed these high-performance drainage solutions to enhance tunnel safety and efficiency. Portable traffic lights from Street Smart Rentals are more than just tools for road work. They're a smart solution for managing traffic in busy or tricky areas. Take Scottsdale, Arizona, for example. A key section of the road needed urgent repairs, with over 100,000 vehicles passing through daily. These portable lights arrived just in time. They're packed with features like real-time cameras, radar, and 4 ways to connect: radio, cellular, Wi-Fi, and satellite. A cloud-based system makes it easy to monitor and control everything, even from a smartphone. If traffic starts to build up, the lights send alerts right away. It's a fast, flexible way to keep traffic moving and work zones safe. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably, yet you're controlling a giant machine almost 900 kilometers away, and everything works perfectly. That's exactly what Hitachi Construction Machinery achieved. An operator used multiple monitors to remotely control a huge EX2506 excavator, located 870 kilometers away. The system is super flexible too. You can even program it to stop the machine from digging too deep. Remote technology like this could completely change how construction work is done. And this is just the beginning. Remote control tech is opening up incredible new possibilities across many industries. Capped Mindar system, like a skilled conductor leading a powerful orchestra of heavy machines. It's made up of different modules, each with a special job. One of the coolest parts is the command module. It lets an operator control all kinds of machines, whether they're autonomous, semi-autonomous, or remote controlled, from one smart console. With it, they can manage everything from starting the engine to fine-tuning a bulldozer's blade. The controls are so precise that even in tight spots, like narrow tunnels, machines avoid scraping walls. And if there's ever a problem with the console's power or signal, the system automatically shuts the machine down to keep everything safe. Lindsay Infrastructure's road zippers make concrete barriers move like they're dancing through city traffic. Unlike regular barriers, these can be set up or taken down quickly. A special machine can lay down 15 kilometers of barrier in just an hour and shift it easily when needed. For instance, a 1.6 kilometer stretch across 2 lanes can be moved in only 10 minutes, making it easy to open up a lane for emergency vehicles or changing traffic flow fast. These smart barriers have already proven their worth on one of the busiest highways in downtown Boston, USA, and on Germany's A9 motorway. Fast, flexible, and efficient, road zippers are reshaping how cities handle traffic on the go. We've arrived in Pasadena, California, one of the main educational hubs on the Pacific Coast and the home of the famous Rose Parade that draws thousands of tourists every year. As a result, the local roads experience heavy traffic. Let's see how they get repaired. The key is using precast reinforced concrete slabs. These slabs can be installed quickly, no matter the weather conditions. To renew a stretch of road about 16 kilometers long, workers used 6,500 slabs, installing an average of 280 per night. Each slab is 30 centimeters thick and lasts for about 50 years. These durable slabs help keep the roads in top shape for decades to come. The Single Shield TBM is an impressive tunnel boring machine designed for tough excavation projects, especially in soft and fragile rocks like basalt. These machines are built to meet strict safety standards. They can have diameters ranging from 1.5 to 14 meters. The rotating cutter head, equipped with disc cutters, is pressed against the rock with a force of up to 32 tons, ensuring that nothing can stand in its way. To minimize vibrations and maintain stability, the TBM uses hydraulic plates that expand against the tunnel walls. The engineers at Herring also developed customized tunnel opening solutions for each specific project, optimizing the entire excavation process. Emergency vehicles can't afford to waste time stuck in traffic, but with roads often jammed, it's a real problem. In Germany alone last year, there were over 500,000 traffic jams, causing cars to sit still for more than 450,000 hours. That's a huge delay when every second counts. Ford is testing a smart solution, traffic lights that turn green when emergency vehicles with special sensors approach. It might sound simple, but the impact could be massive. In fact, studies show that if medical teams could get to accident scenes just 4 minutes faster, up to 40% more lives could be saved. Ford tested this tech in Germany. Elon Musk's Boring Company aims to solve traffic jams by building tunnels, but not just ordinary ones. Imagine a grocery store checkout line where everyone waits in frustration. The Boring Company's solution? More underground checkouts. Their tunnels aren't just for cars. They can carry cargo, pedestrians, and even house utilities. The goal is to create a vast underground network where people and goods can move at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour. One of their successful projects is the Las Vegas Tunnel System, which is 2.7 kilometers long and can transport 4,500 people per hour. the Boring Company is digging its way toward a future with less traffic and more efficient transportation. Sunland Asphalt offers an efficient method for repairing roads with cracks and delamination. The process starts by applying a modified bitumen and polymer emulsion, which is immediately covered with a thin layer of asphalt. For the road shown in the video, only 2.5 centimeters of material was needed. A specially designed machine completes both steps in a single pass. After that, a vibrating roller compacts the surface, and in just 15 minutes, the road is ready for traffic again. This method is especially useful for busy highways that need quick repairs to minimize disruptions. It's a fast, effective way to get roads back in service. Today's episode features the Vogeli Super 3003i, the largest asphalt paver in its class. With this powerhouse, even the biggest projects, like road renovations or airport runway repairs, are a breeze. The Super 3003i can pave asphalt lanes up to 18 meters wide and process up to 1,800 tons of material per hour. In some cases, it can complete a 25-meter stretch in just 1 minute. Its control panel might look like something from a spaceship, but thanks to the intuitive ERG+3 system, it's easy to use. Everything is logically organized, making operations straightforward and efficient for the operator. Built by the German company Vogeli, it's a true engineering marvel. In Bellinzona, Switzerland, a new road project is underway to improve traffic flow. The city, a key transportation hub, is being transformed with the construction of a 60-meter diameter elevated roundabout costing $75.4 million. This roundabout will help better connect roads and railways, especially leading to the important Gotthard Pass in the Swiss Alps. What's interesting about this project is the use of Corten steel, a material that develops a rust-like surface, preventing further corrosion and ensuring durability. This innovative infrastructure will make travel more efficient and strengthen the city's role in Swiss transportation. The project is an example of how modern tech is shaping the future of road construction. The CBCK, according to its developers, is one of the best solutions for transporting long items like ladders or boards. It weighs just 5.5 kilograms and is made of polyurethane and rubber, requiring no complicated steps like drilling. Additionally, it features a built-in compartment for securing straps. To use the CBCK, simply place it on the roof of a pickup truck, lay an item like a ladder on top, and secure it with straps. It's an excellent option for occasional transportation of long goods, but also serves as a convenient backup for those who need to transport such items regularly. AMD Modular Space builds modern homes using pre-made parts, so you can move in just 6 weeks after placing an order. Their C3A model gives you 39 square meters of living space, including 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a combined kitchen and living area. Need more room later? No problem. You can easily add more modules to expand your home. This smart building method is both affordable and eco-friendly. It avoids waste by skipping the need to tear down walls or use extra materials. The homes come fully finished inside and out with plywood and a mix of regular and fiber-reinforced concrete. If you're curious about the cost, AMD offers pricing upon request. Chip fill is a simple and efficient way to fix potholes on roads. It involves using small thermoplastic pieces that are heated with a torch and poured into the hole. Sometimes, a layer of fine gravel is added on top. When heated, the thermoplastic flows into even the tiniest cracks, similar to how water would. It cools quickly, allowing traffic to flow again in just a few minutes. This method works on both asphalt and concrete. For larger, deeper holes, coarse gravel with bitumen can be added. The process is easy for workers, requiring just a broom, a torch, and a pair of hands. It's a quick, cost-effective solution for road repairs. We're in Russia on the M5 Ural Highway, a major federal road stretching an incredible 3,327 kilometers. In some areas, it's as wide as 10 lanes. Right now, teams are working on both building new sections and rebuilding old ones. This is no simple task. It involves much more than laying asphalt. Crews have to move power lines, reroute oil and gas pipelines, adjust water systems, and even build bridges. It's a massive project. Things get even tougher in busy areas, like near Shabini, where traffic is 7 times heavier than expected. Managing that while doing heavy construction makes the job incredibly challenging, but also impressive. The M5 truly is a giant of. The M53 Baikal Highway is a key road in Russia, and major work is happening there now. Crews are building a 285-meter-long bridge and adding protection for a water supply system. One highlight of the project is the use of cement concrete pavement. It's more eco-friendly and highly durable. After 25 years, it usually only needs light repairs or replacing about 10% of the surface. This type of construction is designed to last, making it a smart investment for the future. The work is moving fast, showing how important this road is for the region. It's all part of improving infrastructure and ensuring reliable transport routes across Russia. HBC Radio is shaking things up with its high-tech remote control solutions. Their advanced controller works across a huge range of frequencies, 405 to 2480 MHz, and can handle freezing temps as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. It's lightweight too, at just 3.5 kilograms. Users can fully customize it, adding up to 4 joysticks, each with 12 programmable functions. With this setup, even giant machines like excavators feel as easy to control as your favorite childhood remote control toys. And if the weather gets bad or you just want to stay comfy, HBC also offers a special operator's chair with built-in wireless support, like Deck T. Plus, handing control over to a teammate during tricky tasks is quick and easy with the remote. The J-Smart STR is a powerful machine used to build railroads. It lifts and places heavy track panels, some weighing up to 6 tons, like pieces of a giant puzzle. Amazingly, it can lift up to 20 tons, over 3 times its own weight. What really sets it apart is its ability to move in 2 ways, on tracks at speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, or on crawler treads at up to 3 kilometers per hour. This makes it super flexible for different terrains. Plus, it can be operated remotely if needed, and comes with up to 6 cameras for better control and safety. With its strength and smart features, the J-Smart STR is a game changer in railway construction. We're in Russia on the M5 Ural Highway, a major federal road stretching an incredible 3,327 kilometers. In some areas, it's as wide as 10 lanes. Right now, teams are working on both building new sections and rebuilding old ones. This is no simple task. It involves much more than laying asphalt. Crews have to move power lines, reroute oil and gas pipelines, adjust water systems, and even build bridges. It's a massive project. Things get even tougher in busy areas, like near Shabini, where traffic is 7 times heavier than expected. Managing that while doing heavy construction makes the job incredibly challenging, but also impressive. The M5 truly is a giant of. The M53 Baikal Highway is a key road in Russia, and major work is happening there now. Crews are building a 285-meter-long bridge and adding protection for a water supply system. One highlight of the project is the use of cement concrete pavement. It's more eco-friendly and highly durable. After 25 years, it usually only needs light repairs or replacing about 10% of the surface. This type of construction is designed to last, making it a smart investment for the future. The work is moving fast, showing how important this road is for the region. It's all part of improving infrastructure and ensuring reliable transport routes across Russia. The KS54 is the perfect mix of comfort and off-road power. All versions come with independent air suspension, a strong steel frame, and reinforced wheels, built to handle mud, snow, or rough terrain without letting you down. Tight on space? No problem. Just back up and clear the way. Yes, it's that tough. Once you arrive, the trailer transforms. Depending on the model, you'll find heating, kitchen appliances like a microwave, a double bed, and other cozy touches. The floor, walls, and ceiling are well insulated, so you stay warm and comfortable. Made for up to 4 people, it's ideal for adventures. Prices start at $32,900. Strong people, tough trailers. That's the KS54. In the city of Jah, local authorities are working to revitalize the banks of the Narayan River. The project covers 2 separate areas and includes building a large embankment up to 4.5 meters high. Overall, workers will need to cover about 92 kilometers, a major challenge that will require a lot of effort and coordination. The goal is to protect the region and improve the surrounding environment for the local community. It's a big task, but if successful, it could bring lasting benefits to the area. Let's hope the team succeeds and that this project becomes a strong step forward for the people who live there. Whether you're dreaming of traveling the world or heading off to search for gold in the wilds of Canada, this all-terrain 3-axle vehicle based on a man-truck platform is ready for anything. With full-wheel drive and the comforts of a city apartment, it includes a bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, fridge, and other modern appliances. It can carry up to 9 tons, giving you plenty of room for gear, even a quad bike. In fact, it even comes with its own built-in garage to store your CF Moto or similar off-road vehicle. Adventure has never been this comfortable or practical. Say goodbye to relying on gas or electricity. Solar water heaters are a smart, energy-saving choice for any home. They're so efficient that even businesses use them. One popular option, the 151-liter model, costs around $2,800, but it's built to last, with a stainless steel tank and no moving parts to worry about. Instead of pumps, it uses advanced glass vacuum tubes that can heat water up to 71 degrees Celsius. That means hot water whenever you need it, straight from the sun. On top of saving money on your energy bills, you might also qualify for tax incentives, making this investment even more worthwhile. The beam module was only supposed to stay on the ISS for a couple of years, but it's still there and now expected to stay until 2028. What's impressive is that beam is inflatable. NASA sent it to space to test how inflatable structures would hold up in orbit, especially when protecting against micrometeoroids and debris. It's made with multiple layers and reinforced with Vectran, which is stronger than Kevlar. With 16 cubic meters of space, it's pretty roomy. Despite the company that made it, Bigelow Aerospace, shutting down, the technology lives on. Other companies like MaxSpace see With Rex systems, you can easily put together transport solutions like building blocks, no matter what you need to carry. Boards? No problem. Ladders? Absolutely. Even 6 bikes? That's possible too. A typical carrier costs €369 and can handle up to 227 kilograms. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of accessories, from handrails to toolboxes. The multi-truck Rex systems are designed to meet the needs of a wide audience, whether you use your pickup for weekend adventures or heavy-duty work all year round. These racks are extremely reliable, so much so that owners often wonder why they didn't come standard from the factory. While car makers hesitate, Rex delivers practical solutions that make life Pulsar Fusion has revealed a new prototype called Sunbird, a fusion-powered space tug that could dramatically speed up space travel. Currently, it takes around 21 months to reach Mars, but with Sunbird, that could be cut down to just 2 or 3 months. The engine is impressive, with a thrust of 450 tons, which is more powerful than a single Falcon rocket engine, and it can generate up to 2 megawatts of power, outperforming the entire solar array on the ISS. What's more, the engine is compact since it doesn't need heavy shielding or cooling. If everything goes as planned, Sunbird could eventually take us to distant planets like Jupiter. Orbital tests are set to start in 2027. Coca-Cola and Pepsi are always battling it out, and it's the same in the tech world. You've probably heard of Neuralink, the brain implant that connects straight to your mind. But there's another player, Synchron. They've built a similar device that reads brain signals and turns them into commands for computers, AR glasses, and other gadgets. Thanks to this, people with conditions like ALS can still watch TV, play games, or write messages. Even cooler, the implant has a built-in ChatGPT bot that suggests words and phrases, like a supercharged predictive text. Reports say Synchron's tech is already a few years ahead of Neuralink. So the big question is, who's going to win this high-stakes tech race? Making your van's loading space 200% more useful, both on weekdays and weekends. The idea is simple but brilliant. Fold-out steps for the tailgate. Depending on the model, you can get up to 630 steps, each holding up to 170 kilograms. This makes loading, unloading, or even reaching rooftop tents much easier and safer. Plus, the steps have special inserts that glow for up to 10 hours after just 5 minutes in the sun. A small detail that makes a big difference. It's all about making life easier with smart, thoughtful design. The set, including 4 steps and the mounting system, costs €620. Multi-truck rack. Like a kit, multi-truck racks let you create custom transport saloons for almost anything. Boards, ladders, even 6 bikes. A typical rack costs €369 and can carry up to 227 kilograms. They're compatible with a wide range of accessories, from handrails to toolboxes. Whether you use your pickup for weekend adventures or tough year-round work, these racks have you covered. They're built tough, super reliable, and so practical that many owners wonder why they didn't come as standard equipment. While car makers often overlook such smart add-ons, multi-truck racks make it easy to carry everything you need, no matter where life takes you. The BYD Shark 6 pickup is still very new, having just launched in Australia last December and opened for reservations in Thailand this March. But that hasn't stopped people around the world from designing cool upgrades for it. One standout is the Utamaster Load Lid, a rugged hardcover built especially for the Shark 6. It's made from a single sheet of aluminum, strong enough to hold 200 kilograms while driving and 400 kilograms when parked. You can even walk on it without it bending. It's sealed tightly to keep out rain and has built-in water drainage. Perfect for tough conditions, the Load Lid is both tough and practical, and it's priced at €3,288. DV8 Off-Road is keeping up with the trend too. 4.5 kilowatts of power and a sport mode, the X-Way isn't just fast, it can overtake both cars and motorcycles. It reaches a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour. Just remember to wear a helmet, or better, full motorcycle gear for safety. Of course, you don't always have to go full speed. You can also enjoy a peaceful ride through the forest thanks to its off-road tires designed for any terrain. But here's something to keep in mind: parking. At 41.5 kilograms, this isn't something you'll want to carry up the stairs. So plan ahead before your ride. Whether you're speeding down the road or gliding through nature, the X-Way offers an exciting and versatile experience.